Hey there, I'm Ren. I'm a summer staff member at Marley Ridge, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite camp crafts, which is God's Eyes. If you have never made them before or don't remember how to make them, all you need is some yarn and 2 sticks. Starting them off is usually the most complicated part. So you find the end of your string and put your 2 sticks in a cross like this, and while holding them together, you want to wrap around the intersection a bunch of times in both directions. And then once you get it around enough times that way, you want to turn and do it 90 degrees, so perpendicular, the opposite way. But once it feels nice and secure, you can start wrapping it into the God's Eye. So you want to pick one of the individual branches and you wrap it around that branch and then pull it over to the next branch. Wrap it around that one, move over to the next branch, wrap it around that one, and keep going that way until you fill up the whole length of the stick. So once you get closer to the end where you find a good stopping point or run out of yarn or whatever, you want to make sure you leave enough yarn at the end that you can tie it off to one of the branches. And how you end it is take your last branch, loop it around an extra time or 2, and then either tie it off to one of the extra loops up here or to one of the strands at the end, and you finish off with something that looks like this. You can leave the extra bit of string if you want to hang it up. You can trim that off. So that's what it looks like from the front, and on the back you can see where it loops around each individual branch. So they're super simple once you get the hang of it, very easy to do, and they always look super gorgeous when they are finished. So I hope you enjoyed. Lots of love for camp and the whole camp community.